This video will include information required for virtual new student registration appointments. This summer, we will be utilizing MS Teams for advising, so I just wanted to put something together to show you how things will be set up, as well as provide some tips and tools that you can use during your appointments. To start off, we're going to want to make sure everyone has access to a computer with a camera and microphone and has downloaded Microsoft Teams. First, the registrar's office will be pre-registering and clearing students prior to your appointments like we've done in the past. We'll be sending out an email with your advising details as well, with information on each student and when those advising appointments will happen. This is what an email will look like that you will receive. Like we've done in the past, it'll have the student's information as well as test scores, and information like that to use during your advising appointment. Additionally, it will have a link to each of your MS Teams meetings for that advising appointment. So this is one way that you can access those appointments. You can do that through the email that you'll receive from the registrar's office. Um, Also, along with this email, you will receive a calendar invite. That's going to be another place that you can access your team meeting. So on your calendar, you'll have this. You can just click on Join Teams Meeting, and that'll open up your meeting when you're ready for advising. We'll be using MS Teams, so this is what it'll look like once you open your team. Just gonna turn myself off there. So you can use this during your advising appointment. So just click Join Team once you open that. This is what it'll kind of look like when you open your team. Just some tools that you'll be able to use during your advising appointments is share your screen, which is just this icon down here. It'll show us share if you hover over it. But if you wanted to show your students the MyUSF, if you wanted to show them their schedule, some students would like the visual probably, but you can share your screen using this button. You can mute yourself if you need to here, and you can turn your camera on and off with this one. Um, the registrar's office is going to be available during all of your meetings. So we want you to be able to ask us questions as you're working on with your students. If something comes up, if you have a question about transfer credit or adding a class, if something's not working for you, you can definitely reach out to us via Teams or through email if you wanted to. If you want to use Teams, you'll just open the conversation. I just clicked on it down here. This one, show conversation, just click there. To add us in, just tag us. To tag us, you'll do the @ sign and then just start typing our names and we'll pop up here. It will be best if you add all three of us, Anna Heckenleibel, Tracy Osterberg, and Esther Nissen, and then any of us that are available at that time, not helping someone else, can jump in. So just add us there. If you wanted to type in your question here, you can certainly type the question, and that way we can answer either in the chat or we can also join the meeting as well. So you can just type our names in there and say, I need help. And we'll jump in and help you with that. So that's one way to get a hold of the registrar's office. If you have any other questions prior to your NSRs about schedules, if you want help with changing schedules, if anything's not working, feel free to let us know. We're definitely available. If you want additional training on MS Teams, you can reach out to us as well. IT is also available if you wanted to reach out to them. But thank you so much in advance for your help with NSR, and we look forward to seeing you soon.